Hello traders. It's me, my buddy Kolusile. After we had our last video with a profitable week that we had past a couple of days, it almost went other ways on Monday, but starting from Tuesday it went in our direction, starting with NZD USD. So I was just wanting to share something with you guys. There was this quote that know your probabilities before every trade, meaning my probabilities on this pair for this week, it was a bearish move, as I was expecting them to give us this, then they will provide us with this move to take out the lows that I was mentioning on the previous video. Then they will close below the opening of Monday. So in this case, they have all played to our expectations, starting with GBP USD. They did also give us that move that I was anticipating from the week beginning. Then they will close within this range. And then Euro USD, they went even deeper, they dig deeper, but they deliver as expected on Tuesday and then yesterday. And then AUD USD, same scenario, different pairs, same behavior, different days. And then if we go to gold still has to pay us, guys. Has to pay us. They are still manipulating. They have to come to test the zones, or either this area or this one, but they have to. So the market, they are just holding with the other four pairs. Euro JPY also paid us. It is already giving us a wipe off movement. I'm waiting for them to come to test the zone before going higher. That's why I haven't make a video as yet, because I know they are choppy. It's still Thursday, where I'm going to expect a big move from maybe later tonight. All these pairs that I'm trading, guys, are giving the same behavior. Even this one, chef, it went too deep. This was my anticipation starting from Monday, but they went too deep. They digged too deep. I wasn't expecting them to go that higher, but they did. But nevertheless, from Tuesday midnight, Monday midnight, they went as anticipated. And then USD CAT, it did give us the same shape that we're expecting, and it has to go higher. It has to go higher. It hasn't touched or tested those areas. USD chef, it went deeper first on Monday. This one, I was expecting this, but they went too deep. They digged deeper, but nevertheless they came back and paid us as we have anticipated. And then USDJPY also played with our emotions, this one. Then on starting from yesterday I killed it, and it's still paying us. I'm looking for them to take out this liquidity that is created there for the past 2 weeks, because they haven't been moving. They have been consolidating and dropping like that till they came to the party. Then I'm expecting them to drop to test this zone, and I was looking at some mentors were giving a buy on this pair and holding buys, but for me I was having this structure. And then also this pair move the same with gold. I'm also expecting this on this pair. And then my favorite pair, this one I made money out of it, although gold ruined my profit. I'm expecting this from this pair, and it's still coming my way. Sorry for that, I had a call and I have to go in it. This was the last pair that I analyzed, and then going forth I'm looking for them to give us Wyckoff setup. If this will be our retracement, I will be using this point as my target, that they might come and retest those zones like they are doing now on this pace. And then let me finish with these ones. Let me go with this one. I just want to check the main targets where they have to go and test, because they have taken out those liquidity that I was pointing out for this week. They might retrace us back to this zone, then come to take out this liquidity that is created here. And then let me check NZD/USD. I'm just checking where are they going with on this one. They are almost finished. And eventually they are about to take off, as they have finished even with my target, where I take all my profits on a certain pair. Let me check with this one whether they have finished. They haven't touched these zones. I'm still expecting them to drop on that one. And then on GBP/USD, they might also drop to test this liquidity here before going higher. And then AUD/USD, let me zoom it, and then I'm expecting them to take out at least 50% of this bigger candle or these zones. And then EUR/JPY, I know so many people are still buying, are now starting to buy. That's why you see the market going higher, but I'm still expecting them to take out this liquidity that they have created recently. They haven't even take out my bigger target, so I'm expecting them to still drop from this line and then to take out this low. And then on gold, I'm still bearish on this pair, and it's starting to pay today, and it broke my heart. It took the profit that I did from the previous week. I'm expecting them to come to take this liquidity here. As I was saying on gold, I'm looking for them to take out this liquidity on the zones. This liquidity here. There's too much liquidity on the zone that they have left. My baby. And then the last one is that they created that week before the NFP. So I'll be looking for them to take out that liquidity, then use this week as an entry to go higher. These are my expectations on this pair. And then they're still choppy at the moment. They have to kill so many accounts before they drop, because they know so many buyers are buying this moment. But I'm expecting them to first take out this liquidity that they have created here. By the way, all the pairs have paid us in a way that we have anticipated, and then today I took this trade, just closed early here. I was expecting them to bounce on this zone, then they will take out that two equal highs that they have created, and then on this one also they have to take out this liquidity on top, and then on this pair also they are still paying, and they have to come to take out. Let me see, still loading. And then on this one also I'm starting to see the weakness in this pair. I might guess they are starting to create work off before they drop to take out this liquidity, because the movement, the buyers with this pair is still bearish, guys. I will also do analysis on it. And then Bitcoin, we still bearish. I know we have a competition that is running, and most people will be using this analysis as their profit, but nevertheless we don't control the market, but the market also gave us the setups that we trade with. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Papa Tuntati.